Many of us navigate the evening hours with a silent anxiety about food, deeply ingrained with the belief that eating anything after a certain time will inevitably derail our metabolic health. We've been told that late-night consumption slows metabolism, sends blood sugar levels soaring, or perhaps most dreaded, instantly transforms into stored fat. This pervasive narrative often leaves us feeling guilty about legitimate hunger or meticulously restricting our dietary choices as the sun sets. Yet, nestled within the vast landscape of nutritional science, there exists a powerful, often misunderstood exception to this conventional wisdom. A substance that operates precisely because your body does not digest or absorb it in the usual way, nor does it convert directly into sugar. This remarkable characteristic is the very foundation of its capacity to profoundly improve insulin resistance, calm persistent inflammation throughout the body, strengthen the immune system, optimize digestive processes, stabilize fluctuating energy levels, and crucially support deep restorative cellular repair while you sleep. The secret behind these far-reaching benefits lies in a surprisingly simple, readily available ingredient: unmodified potato starch, widely recognized as a form of resistant starch. It's an extraordinary compound that most people have never been properly educated on how to integrate into their routine for optimal health. To truly grasp its profound impact, it's essential to understand its unique physiological journey. Unlike the vast majority of carbohydrates you consume, which are rapidly broken down and assimilated in the stomach and small intestine, resistant starch follows a completely different path. It is specifically designed to pass through your upper digestive tract untouched, meaning it does not cause those problematic spikes in blood sugar that contribute to metabolic strain, nor does it trigger an immediate surge in insulin. Instead, it continues its journey completely intact until it reaches the large intestine. It is in this lower segment of your digestive system that resistant starch truly comes alive, transforming from a simple food component into a potent health catalyst. Here, it serves as a highly specialized premium fuel source for the trillions of beneficial gut bacteria that reside within your colon. These microscopic inhabitants are far from passive. They are metabolically active powerhouses, and when properly nourished by resistant starch, they begin to produce a diverse array of compounds. These compounds are not confined to the gut. They engage in a sophisticated systemic dialogue with virtually every major system in your body. They directly communicate with your entire immune system, influencing its regulatory mechanisms and overall resilience. They send vital signals to your liver, impacting its numerous metabolic and detoxification functions. They interact with your brain, influencing cognitive clarity, mood stability, and even the quality of your sleep architecture. Moreover, these bacterial byproducts profoundly affect your hormonal balance and overall metabolism, initiating a cascade of positive changes that reverberate throughout your entire physiology. This intricate, silent communication network highlights just how deeply interconnected your gut health is with your overall well-being, positioning resistant starch as an incredibly effective, yet often overlooked, tool for comprehensive health improvement. Among the myriad beneficial compounds produced by these thriving gut bacteria, the most profoundly significant are the short-chain fatty acids, particularly butyrate. Butyrate is a truly remarkable molecule, a cornerstone of gut health with extensive systemic effects. Its primary and arguably most critical role within the digestive system is its ability to directly strengthen and fortify the delicate lining of the gut, also known as the intestinal barrier. This lining serves as a crucial defensive shield, a highly selective gatekeeper preventing undesirable particles, toxins, and undigested food components from leaking out of the gut and into the bloodstream. When this barrier is compromised, a phenomenon often called leaky gut, it can allow inflammatory particles to escape into the circulatory system, triggering a widespread inflammatory response throughout the body. By enhancing the integrity of this gut barrier, butyrate dramatically reduces the leakage of these inflammatory triggers. As this crucial barrier improves and is maintained, the level of systemic inflammation across the entire body drops significantly. This reduction isn't just an abstract biological concept, it manifests in tangible, life-enhancing ways. Individuals frequently report a noticeable decrease in persistent joint stiffness, transforming daily movements. For those with conditions like arthritis, this can translate into a substantial reduction in chronic pain, improving quality of life. Muscle soreness tends to diminish, aiding in faster recovery. Beyond the physical, the benefits extend to cognitive function, with many observing a profound improvement in mental clarity, often described as the lifting of brain fog, allowing for sharper focus. Mood stability also sees a marked enhancement, reducing irritability. Overall energy levels stabilize and increase throughout the day, providing sustained vitality. Digestion itself becomes smoother and more efficient, with a significant reduction in uncomfortable bloating and gas, leading to greater abdominal comfort and regularity. Furthermore, butyrate plays a pivotal role in improving how your body's cells respond to insulin, addressing a fundamental issue that underpins numerous health challenges. Insulin resistance, a condition where cells become less responsive to insulin, sits at the very root of stubborn weight gain, particularly around